Hey there guys and gals, it's me Nirex and welcome back to Beginner C++ programming tutorial. So in this video we're going to find the solution to this issue right here, the problem that I gave you in the last video. Now it's quite simple. As you know, when you want to calculate the sum of something, you definitely need a variable named sum. Well, it doesn't have to be named sum, it could be anything like food or foo. I meant to write foo but it came out as food. Or bar, or whatever you want it to be. I'm just going to write it sum because it makes the most sense. So we can calculate the sum of every odd number from 0 to 100. Now, what do we know? What are odd numbers? Well, they're quite simple. 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. These are odd numbers. Now let's calculate them. So what's the biggest odd number that's less than 100? Obviously 99. So we need to make it 4, just type 4 and hit tab. There it is. Do int. You could do size t, but we don't really care about it. Should be less than or equal to 99. Okay, so the biggest one is 99. We should be less than or equal to 99. It starts from 1, so this guy should start from 1. And I++, we need to up our value by 2, so I plus equal 2, right? And that's it. Let me just do that. I plus equal 2 should be less than or equal to 99, and that's it. Now all we have to do is sum plus equals I, and then do std out sum std and out. Now when we write that, the value is 2500, so 2500 or 2500. If that was the value you got, which is 2500, then congrats, you did it right. And that's basically it. Now let's add a little bit of beef to this guy. Let's also print the sum of every even number. So these are the odd numbers, these are the even numbers, right? Using the same for loop. How do we do that? So as you may or may not know, if you add 1 to each even number, it will become an odd number, right? So 1, 3, 5 will become 2, 4, 6. So these are even numbers. Why did I put even here? This guy is like the biggest odd. Yeah, there we go. And the biggest even number is 100. Biggest even. And that's it. So we say we have a sum of all the odd numbers right here. Sum odd is like that. Now we can say we have a sum of even numbers, right? Now the way we're going to do it is we're going to add 1 to the current even number just to get it going, just to make it into an odd number. So it makes us begin with 2. So we definitely need 0, but 0 doesn't really count, so we just add 0 right here. Now let's do that. So sum odd is that, sum even, plus equals I, obviously, plus 1. So we add 1 to our I, and then we add it to even numbers, to our even number. So that's sum odd, and then we do sum even. And 2550. So 2550 is the number that we get for all the even numbers. And that's all there is to it. So if you didn't understand anything about this guy for right here, just write in the comments, ask any questions you have. If you did enjoy this video, do leave a like, that would help a lot. And if you really enjoyed it, do subscribe, that would help a lot more. I would really appreciate it. And so thank you. This has been this video. I will see you in the next one.